Looking to spruce up your Mobile Legends profile background? Hey, welcome aboard! Today I'm here to guide you through the process of changing your Mobile Legends profile background right from your iPhone. Let's dive in, shall we? Now, let's start by firing up Mobile Legends. After that, locate and tap on your profile icon. Next up, hit the Settings button positioned at the top right corner of your screen, then choose Background from the drop-down menu. Here's where the fun begins. You will discover a variety of backgrounds waiting for your selection. However, there is a catch. Most of these backgrounds will be locked. To unlock them, you will need to immerse yourself in the game to achieve specific mastery levels like Mythical Glory, Mythical Honor, and more during the current season. Once they're unlocked, simply tap on the one you fancy, and voila, your background is changed. And there you have it, folks. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you pronto. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.